Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If you find this video helpful, please send me nice comments, like my video, but most of all, subscribe and share. So if you've been keeping track of me on the YouTube here, you know I just put a differential on the front of this Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I also had to replace this axle on this side. And in the video I was talking about how if you don't get the axle clicked in, that you could end up breaking it. Well, we didn't get this axle clicked in all the way, so what ended up happening is it made it seem like the transmission went out in it, and it didn't. It's because we didn't push it in all the way. Now Ryan is going to try to get this thing in here now, but I'm going to tell you, generally when they're out, you have to slam them in real quick, and you just do it one sharp push. Now of course we're trying to do as minimal work as possible to take off the wheel and stuff and get this thing clicked in, but he's going to try to pull it back and just basically shove it in there super quick. I don't know if he's going to be able to get it this way or not, if we're going to have to take the wheel off or what we're going to have to do, but it definitely is not seated.
Yeah, we might have to get a pry bar to pull it out more.
Okay, we're going to try one more process here and try to pull that back and push that in with the pry bar. It's kind of the thought. See if it works. I'm just trying to avoid taking the wheel off and taking the spindle off and everything else, which is generally the way you do these. But in this situation, if we can find a place to pry this and bang it in there, that'd be great. You could hit it with a hammer right here, but the problem is you'll break the boot, so you don't want to do that. When I put the other side in, I actually had a little lip. I was moving the whole differential and I put that one in there and I got it clicked in.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to take it apart.
Yeah, that sucks. Well, that's what we have to do. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take off the axle nut, and then hopefully that allows us enough movement with the axle to be able to jam snap that thing in there and hopefully click it in. You'll kind of know when it's sat in there. It'll seem right to you. It won't be sticking out that much, and I'll give you a little shot of what it looks like when it's in there. And that's pretty much how you do it, but you want to pull it back just a little bit and then throw her in there. If not, I might have to put the camera down and help Ryan get this thing in here real quick.
There goes.
Oh, I think she went in.
She's in.
All right, so I'm gonna get underneath and I'm gonna give you a shot of that. So there's where she lines up. See how close it is to that axle housing? Now we know it's good and clicked in, and you can kind of give it a little pull with your hand, and it won't even move a little bit. It won't even move at all. I know he's got it in there good and tight now. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thanks to Ryan, I appreciate your help. Hope this helps you guys out, and if you run into this problem, you have some kind of wacky steering or something like that, that's what it is, or some weird wobble. Have a great day. Subscribe and share. Remember, you can't break what's already broken.